Your mornings are the foundation of your life. How you begin each day sets the tone for your energy, your mindset, and your ability to attract the success and happiness you desire. Think about it. Every single morning gives you a fresh start, a blank canvas to create the life you have always dreamed of. But here is the question. Are you using that precious time wisely, or are you letting it slip away? What if I told you that just 6 simple habits could completely transform the way you feel, think, and act? These aren't just random practices, they are powerful rituals that help you align your mind, body, and soul with the energy of success and abundance. Imagine waking up every morning feeling clear, focused, and ready to take on the world. Imagine living each day with purpose, positivity, and unwavering confidence in your ability to manifest your dreams. Sounds incredible, right? But it's not a dream. It's entirely possible. And it all starts with your mornings. In this video, I will reveal 6 life-changing morning habits that have the power to unlock your true potential and completely transform your life. So, stay with me for a while. Imagine waking up each morning and feeling an overwhelming sense of gratitude for everything you already have. Gratitude is the most powerful way to align yourself with the energy of abundance. When you are grateful, you attract more reasons to be thankful. Take just 5 minutes in the morning to list 3 things you are grateful for. It can be as simple as the sunlight streaming through your window, the roof over your head, or the people you love. And pair this with meditation. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and center yourself. Visualize your dreams as if they have already come true. Meditation clears your mind of negativity, strengthens your focus, and brings your intentions into reality. This simple practice of gratitude and meditation will not only calm your mind but also ignite your soul to manifest effortlessly. So make sure you include this wonderful habit in your morning ritual. Always start your day with gratitude and do just 5 minutes of meditation every day. So the first thing your body craves in the morning isn't coffee. It's sunlight. Step outside and soak in those golden rays for just 5 to 10 minutes. Sunlight is nature's way of saying, wake up and shine. It boosts your mood, regulates your internal clock, and fills you with energy to conquer your day. Think of sunlight as fuel for your body and mind. It's not just about light, it's about absorbing positivity and warmth from nature itself. Feel the sunlight on your skin and let it remind you that every day is a new opportunity to grow, evolve, and achieve. You don't have to run a marathon or spend hours at the gym. Just 20 minutes of movement can do wonders. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a signal to your brain that you are ready to take on the day. When you exercise, you release endorphins, those magical feel-good hormones that make you feel unstoppable. Whether it's yoga, a brisk walk, or even dancing to your favorite music, moving your body creates momentum. And remember, momentum in your morning creates momentum in your life. Exercise clears the fog of doubt and replace it with the fire of determination. Every drop of sweat is a step closer to the version of you that you are manifesting. Exercise helps you to improve your mood, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and enhance brain health. You must do any sort of movement every single day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. What you feed your body in the morning fuels your mind and energy throughout the day. Skip that processed junk and start with something nutritious. A smoothie packed with fruits and greens, a bowl of oatmeal, or even just some fresh fruits and nuts. Think of your breakfast as the foundation of your day. When you eat well, you think well, and when you think well, you act with clarity and purpose. Nourish your body, and it will thank you by giving you the energy to manifest your dreams and tackle any challenges that come your way. Manifestation isn't just about visualizing your dreams, it's about taking aligned action. And that starts with clarity. Spend 5 minutes in the morning, create a to-do list. Write down your top priorities for the day and make sure they align with your bigger goals. This isn't just about being productive, it's about being intentional. A to-do list keeps you focused and prevents you from getting overwhelmed. Every time you check off a task, you are not just completing a work, you are taking a step closer to your dreams. Always remember, small consistent actions lead to big transformations. Your mind is your greatest tool for manifestation, and what you feed it matters. Take 10-15 minutes every morning to read something inspiring. It could be a self-help book, an article on personal growth, or even affirmations. Reading not only expands your knowledge but also shifts your mindset. It exposes you to new ideas and perspectives, fueling your creativity and motivation. Start your day by learning something that lights a fire within you, because when your mind grows, your life grows. Now imagine starting each day with these 6 habits. Picture yourself radiating positivity, energy, and focus. These aren't just habits, they are the building blocks of your dream life. But remember, people, transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens through consistency. And you have to be patient, you have to be consistent. So I challenge you to start with just one habit tomorrow morning. Then add another and another and another. Watch how your life begins to change. Share in the comments which habit you are excited to try, and let's build this journey of growth together. Your mornings are your power. Use them wisely and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on manifestation and lifestyle. And hit that bell icon so you never miss out any new update. Thank you.